What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, so this pink insert is usually seen in the truck B. The truck B right inside the head, it will snap inside of it and hold it in place. You'll also see them here on these soft head Walt Disney dispensers. Not sure if you can see it there on the left. There is the copyright on the side of the head there. Donald has some nice paint. Very cool looking dispenser. All of these will be found on a 3.8 made in the USA on the IMC. Can I see that there? 9. The Vermont factory. Very cool dispenser. Very rare dispenser. This is the soft head Donald. Very few of these known to exist. That's right, we do know of a Donald that is even more rare. Yes, even more rare than you, Softhead Donald. It is that Donald there, one of a kind, way to go, Leaning Donald. Yeah. But still, the Softhead is very cool. Glad I got to share it with you. So until next time...